Welcome to an exploration of the Pramod Effect, a revolutionary framework that redefines how we perceive existence, knowledge, and energy. Developed by Dr. Pramod Ambadasrao Pawar, the Pramod Effect invites us to look beyond surface dualities, such as light and darkness, self and other, or body and soul, and see the underlying unity that connects all things. At its heart lies the concept of monocontiergy, the continuous generation of monoenergy, which is the infinite, self-perpetuating source behind every phenomenon. This approach dissolves hierarchies, bridges cultures, and unites science with philosophy. As we journey through this video, keep in mind, what appears as opposites are actually oscillations around a central, unifying energy. Let's begin by understanding how this principle reshapes our view of reality. Human perception is often shaped by dualities, presence and absence, light and darkness, gain and loss. The Pramod Effect reveals that these are not true opposites, but rather oscillations around a central point of energy, monoenergy. Imagine a pendulum. While it swings between extremes, its true essence is the stillness at the center. This central energy unites all dualities, showing that every object, idea, and process is a manifestation of one continuous flow. Whether we consider the cycle of seed and plant, or the formula 1 minus 1 equals 0 equals 1, the message is clear. Absence and presence, loss and gain, are inseparable. This perspective not only challenges traditional philosophy, but also offers a universal framework for understanding science, culture, and consciousness. By dissolving dualisms, the Pramod Effect paves the way for a holistic view of reality. At the core of the Pramod Effect is monocontiergy, the principle that energy is continuously generated, never static or lost. This infinite flow animates everything from atoms to galaxies, thoughts to societies. Monocontiergy teaches us that all forms, movements, and perceptions are expressions of one unbroken energy. Even what we perceive as absence or loss is simply another phase in the energetic cycle. This understanding dissolves hierarchies and divisions, revealing that all entities, physical, conceptual, or cultural, are equal manifestations of monoenergy. The implications are profound. Science and philosophy merge, East meets West, and knowledge becomes a dynamic, unified process. By recognizing monocontiergy, we gain a powerful tool for solving complex problems, fostering harmony, and embracing the interconnectedness of all things. Pramod Effect introduces two key concepts, TD, transdeconstruction, and PE, Pramod Effect. TD represents the body, the observable, structured aspect of reality, while PE is the soul, the underlying monoenergy that animates and unifies all forms. These are not separate, rather they are two sides of the same coin. Every phenomenon, from the swing of a pendulum to the growth of a plant, is an interplay of TD and PE. Visible structure is energized and sustained by the invisible flow of monoenergy. This integration dissolves the boundaries between theory and practice, science and spirituality, form and essence. By perceiving both body and soul as unified through energy, we open ourselves to a deeper, more holistic understanding of existence. The Pramod Effect is more than a theory. It's a universal framework for understanding reality, knowledge, and society. By recognizing that all existence emerges from the infinite flow of monoenergy, we transcend cultural, scientific, and philosophical boundaries. This perspective dissolves hierarchies, resolves conflicts, and encourages holistic solutions to global challenges. Whether in science, philosophy, or daily life, the principles of monocontiergy help us see unity behind diversity and motion behind stillness. As Dr. Pramod Ambadasrao Pawar writes, all existence, all perception, all knowledge emerges from the infinite flow of monoenergy. Embracing this vision, we are invited to perceive the world not as a collection of opposites, but as a dynamic, unified whole, an endless dance of energy, presence, and possibility.